And we've spoken to immigration lawyer Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch, who says the arrest is appalling and something she has never seen happen in her 20 years of practicing law.
You know, crimes for maybe alien smuggling or harboring an immigrant, these crimes typically require, what's called the mens rea, the intention essentially to help someone abscond. Okay, so I always tell people, if you're driving and you have an undocumented immigrant in the passenger seat of your car, you're not harboring because they're just riding along with you. But if you get pulled over and they hide in the back seat under a blanket, well, now we've crossed maybe into criminal territory, depending upon the state law where you are. So there are some laws existing, but applying that to a judge in her courtroom when she's simply directing agents into a public area of the courthouse, I think number one, they know nothing about her intentions, so I don't think that this would, be appropriately applied as a criminal matter. And number two, this is a judge. This is a judge in a courthouse who is trying to maintain some decorum in her facility about where and how law enforcement, where they're going. People have constitutional rights and not to allow law enforcement into a private area of a facility without a warrant. So there's just so many questions. But even the fact that the response on the part of the FBI is to arrest this judge and then publicly tweet about it, that's the part I think more than anything. The arrest, of course, but then the fact that they're bragging about it out loud is what is really, really scary, because the intent of this, of course, is to send a message to everybody in the judiciary, everybody in the legal community. If you do anything supportive of immigrants, you're next. That's what they're trying to tell us.